How to delete ChatGPT account. Open any of the browser and search for help.openai.com. Now this kind of page will appear. You have just opened the OpenAI's Help Center. Now what you have to do is click on this option, General Top FAQ. Now just scroll down. You can find this option of how can I delete my account? Click on it. Now scroll down. Account deletion 2 methods. You will get 2 methods to delete your ChatGPT account. The first one is by using ChatGPT's website and the second one is by using ChatGPT's email support. I would like to suggest the second option by using email support. You just have to send email to deletion@openai.com. In the subject line, you should include account deletion request, and in the body of the email, you have to include please delete my account. You have to make sure you are sending this email through the mail that is linked with your ChatGPT account. Let me show you. Click on this option, deletion@openai.com. Just click on it. Choose which account to send the email from. Select the mail that is linked with your ChatGPT account. Now at the subject, write account deletion request. And in the body part, write please delete my account. And you are done. Just click on send and within few days or weeks your account will be deleted. In this way you can easily delete your ChatGPT account. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.